So after an update on the docking station, the Steam Deck no longer wants to turn on, at least while it's off the charger. So as you can see, I click the button. Power button doesn't work. I can hold it. Doesn't work. This is the charger that I'm using. Steam Deck charger. So I'm gonna go ahead and plug this in. Show you guys. So once I plug it in, gives me the light. Then everything works normal after I plug it in. There's no issues. Games load fine. Everything works perfectly fine. It's just not communicating with its own battery or something. I don't know exactly what it's doing, but once it's plugged in, everything works okay. Only problem is once I disconnect it from the charger, it does it just shuts off immediately. So yeah, here's everything works fine, but once I unplug it, it just shuts off, and I can't turn it back on. I went into the desktop mode. I checked the battery life condition. It's fine. It's like 97%. So yeah, I have no idea what's going on. So this started to happen after playing it in docking mode and then doing an update on the docking station.